Tonight, a well-known professor at Georgetown law has been found guilty of assaulting his wife among several other charges. This is far from his first run-in with the law.
Fox Sydney Persing live at Georgetown Law tonight, digging into this case following the jury's verdict. Sydney.
Yeah, well, guys, this guy was actually a convicted bank robber. Once he got out of prison, he went on to become a pretty successful attorney and even a professor here at Georgetown Law. And we know that when Sean Hopwood would teach criminal law, he would often reference his own experience, his own time behind bars. And today, a jury of his peers decided that is exactly where he belongs yet again. Sean Hopwood, still listed on Georgetown Law's website as a professor tonight, has been found guilty by a jury of his peers for beating his wife and obstructing justice. Interim U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro announced the verdict Friday afternoon.
Ironically, Hopwood is on the faculty of Georgetown Law School, where he teaches criminal law.
Hopwood spent nearly 11 years in federal prison for robbing banks, but went on to become a successful D.C. attorney who worked in criminal justice reform and taught at Georgetown. His unlikely comeback story earned him profiles on 60 Minutes and in the Washington Post.
He is an individual who is parading around as a prison reform activist, a batterer who left his handprints on his wife's face and the mother of his children, a batterer who left his wife with a black eye.
Hopwood was arrested late in 2023, accused of beating his wife during an argument in front of their children, and then ordering her to remain in the basement. Prosecutors alleged he abused her for years and say he then obstructed justice when he, after his arrest, pressured his wife and kids to leave the DMV, made them stay with a guy he met in federal prison, and not show up to trial. In a statement, a Georgetown Law spokesperson told Fox 5 in part, Georgetown Law respects the judicial system and this jury's decision. Domestic violence is horrific and antithetical to our values as an institution. Sean Hopwood remains on leave from his position as a professor, and we will review the matter and follow all applicable personnel processes.
He was brought on to the faculty in a celebration of second chances. Mr. Sean Hopwood does not deserve any more chances.
And Pirro said that Hopwood faces a minimum of 5.5 years behind bars. His sentencing is scheduled for September 18th.